Ako ni, happy birthday! Tita, I know in the past years, it's not been easy for you and for the whole family, right? Even in the midst of the sorrow, your life is a blessing and a gift to your family, not only to your family but to us as well. Your faith, your kindness, and strength continue to inspire us, Tita. Totoo yan. And we pray, me and my family will always pray for you and your family. We pray that God will comfort your heart, give you peace, and surround you with the love today and always. Happy 70th birthday, Tita Connie. We love you so much. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, my dear sister. Happy birthday. I know you're tired of my face because it's always on your timeline, but I wanna greet you happy birthday. I know you are so blessed. When we reach this age, we're so blessed. It's already a bonus from the Lord. So just stay healthy and continue your love to the Lord, and everything will be okay. You believe. Okay, have a blessed one, kapatid. I love you. Si David hindi ready. Ano siya. Eh ako parati akong ready to face the camera. So, okay. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. Happy 18th birthday. Ikaw ang pinaka-super astig mami. And your kids are so blessed. Ikaw yung mami nila. So, happy birthday. Continued good health. And syempre, more strength. And more birthdays to come, Tita. I love you. We miss you. And kakanta mo na daw kami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Tita Connie. Happy birthday to you. Tita Connie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Connie. We love you very much and we're so proud of you. Thank you for your strength and your prayers and your positivity. And we wish you many, many more birthdays to come to celebrate you and enjoy more time with your family. Happy birthday!
Oh my God. Kasama yun. Tating, ikaw na mag-edit niyan.
I tried to hold it. Sorry.
Love you guys.
We
See
love
you
you.
soon.
Happy birthday.
Si Lonzy nasa kabila.
Oh, Papa.
Happy birthday to Connie. Happy birthday from Japan. Hope to see you in the Philippines or in Japan soon. Much love.
Hi, Cons. Happy birthday. Cons, my bestie. I wish you a happy birthday and more healthy and happy years to come. Hope to see you soon. It seems like we've been friends forever. I've known you forever, but it feels like it was just yesterday that we're wearing our high school uniform and walking to our class, going through the back doors and the back of the building so nobody will see us. We're just still shy high schoolers back then. But those were happy times. Hope to see you and spend more times together. Stay healthy, stay happy. I wish you all the best until I see you again. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday